Customer insights. So customer insights involve gathering and analyzing data to gain a deeper understanding of customer behaviors, needs, and preferences. These insights can come from various sources such as transaction data, surveys, social media, website analytics. So businesses use customer insights to inform decision making, personalize marketing efforts, improve products, and create more meaningful customer experiences. Customer pain point analysis. So customer pain point analysis identifies and addresses specific problems or frustrations that customers experience with a product or service. So by understanding and resolving these pain points, businesses can improve the customer experience, so increase satisfaction and build stronger relationships. This analysis can often involve gathering customer feedback, conducting usability studies, and mapping customer journey to pinpoint areas of friction. Then we have customer co-creation. So customer co-creation involves collaborating with customers in the creating and development of products or services. This approach leverages customer insights, creativity, and feedback to drive innovation and ensure that the end product meets their needs and expectations. So co-creation can lead to more successful products, increased customer loyalty, and a stronger sense of community between the brand and its customers. Then we have customer onboarding strategy. Customer onboarding is the process of guiding new customers to successfully use a product or service. Effective onboarding involves clear communication, education, and support to help customers understand and realize the value of their purchase quickly. So a well-designed onboarding process can enhance customer satisfaction, reduce churn, and increase the likelihood of long-term engagement and loyalty. Then we have customer effort score, or CES. So customer effort score strategy is a metric that measures how much effort a customer has to put forth to get an issue resolved, a request fulfilled, a product purchased or returned, or a question asked, or a question answered. So lower effort scores are associated with higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. By tracking CES, businesses can identify and eliminate friction points, making it easier for customers to interact with the brand and achieve their goals.